today's video, titignan natin ng malapitan ang ExpressVPN and how it keeps you private every single day. Hi guys, ako si Ashley at kung naisip mo na minsan kung paano ka natatrack ng mga websites, kung bakit parang alam ng mga advertisers kung anong tinitignan mo online, o kung gaano ba talaga ka-safe ang data mo kapag naka-public wifi ka, ipapaliwanag ng video na to kung bakit malaking tulong ang ExpressVPN. Nakarinig ng ExpressVPN dahil isa to sa pinakamalaking pangalan sa VPN industry. Pero ang hindi alam ng karamihan ay kung gaano karami talaga ang ginagawa nito sa background. It's not just about hiding your IP address, although importante siya, obviously. It's about blocking trackers, keeping your data encrypted, and giving you control over your online activity again. Ngayon, i-breakdown natin ng ExpressVPN ang key features that make it stand out, how it handles trackers, at worth it ba to compared sa other VPNs. Mag-umpisa tayo with the basics. Ano ba exactly ang ExpressVPN? Ang ExpressVPN ay isa sa most well-known and trusted virtual private networks in the world. It's been around for more than a decade at consistently nag-show up on top recommendation list dahil sa bilis, reliability at strong commitment nito sa privacy. Ang core nito, ExpressVPN, works by creating encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Imbes na makita ng internet provider mo o ng public wifi kung anong ginagawa mo, ini-encrypt at nire-route ng ExpressVPN ang lahat ng data mo sa mga secure servers nila. Mas maganda pa dito, nakafocus talaga sila sa privacy everyday. Hindi lang tutungkol sa pag-access ng Netflix sa ibang bansa. ExpressVPN prevents advertisers, websites, and even your ISP from building a digital profile of who you are, saan ka nagpupunta, and what you do online. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang mga features kung bakit namumukod tangi ang ExpressVPN. Una ay ang trusted server technology nila. Hindi tulad ng ibang VPNs na nagsastore sa physical hard drives, RAM-based ang servers ng ExpressVPN. Kaya automatic nabubura ang lahat ng data tuwing nagre-reboot ng server. This means there's no long-term data storage, making it nearly impossible for anyone to trace data back to you. Ang next naman ay yung no logs policy. Ibig sabihin, hindi nila nire-record yung mga websites na vinivisit mo, the searches you make, or the files you download. Maraming VPN na nag-claim nito, but ExpressVPN has had its no logs policy tested in independent audits and even in high-profile legal cases where they were unable to hand over logs because they simply do not exist. Isa pang standout feature ay yung tracker blocking na bahagi ng kanilang threat manager system. This feature prevents apps and websites from secretly communicating with trackers, advertisers, or malicious third parties. You know how sometimes you look up shoes on one site and then ads for those exact shoes follow you around for weeks? Yun ay dahil sa hidden trackers. Pinuputol ng threat manager ng ExpressVPN yung mga connections na yun. So companies cannot keep building detailed profiles on you. Tapos meron ding encryption. Gumagamit ang ExpressVPN ng AES-256 encryption na considered na military grade and virtually impossible to break. This keeps your browsing, your passwords, at personal data kahit nasa home, Wi-Fi mobile network, o free Wi-Fi sa coffee shop ka pa. Sinusuportahan din ng ExpressVPN ng split tunneling, meaning pwedeng piliin which apps or websites go through the VPN and which go through your regular internet connection. At useful to, example, kung gusto mo na ang banking app mo ay lumalabas sa VPN para sa verification but still want everything else protected. Isa pang feature na worth mentioning is the network lock kill switch. If your VPN connection ever drops unexpectedly, agad nitong ikakat ang internet connection mo para hindi ma-expose ang tunay mong IP address and data. And of course, ExpressVPN has one of the largest and most reliable server networks in the industry. May libo-libong servers sa 94 countries, pwede ka mag-connect halos kahit saan sa mundo at makakuha pa rin ng mabilis and stable na speed. This not only protects your privacy but also gives you flexibility if you want to access content from another region. So let's get into the specific questions. Paano binablock ng ExpressVPN ang trackers and keep you private every day? Kapag nagbabrowse ka sa internet without VPN, nakikita ng bawat site ang IP address mo at marami sa kanila nag-i-install ng tracking, cookies, o hidden scripts na nagsisend ng data tungkol sa activity mo sa third parties. Advertisers then use this data to target with your ads. Pati na rin ang internet service provider mo, pwede ring ilog ang buong browsing history mo, at sa maraming bansa, they allow to sell that data to advertisers. ExpressVPN tackles the problem in two main ways. First, by hiding your IP address and replacing it with download one of their servers, hindi na ma-identify ng website ang device mo directly. Sa halip na makita ang unique IP mo, nakikita nila yung generic IP ng ExpressVPN. Dahil dito, mas mahirap para sa companies na i-link ang browsing mo sa identity mo. Second, yung threat manager tool nila. Automatic niyang binablock yung mga apps and websites na nagsasend ng mga hidden requests sa third-party trackers. Imagine you download a free app that quietly sends your location to a marketing company without your consent. Nadedetect ng ExpressVPN yung ganong attempt and stops it before it happens. That means fewer trackers, less data harvesting, and more peace of mind for you. Ngayon, this happens in real time every day without you needing to think about it. Ang goal nito is to make your digital life private by default, not something you have to constantly manage. Punta naman tayo sa mga pros and cons. Starting off with the pros, isa sa pinakamalaking advantage ng ExpressVPN ay yung bilis niya. May mga VPN kasi na sobrang bumabagal ang internet mo hanggang sa mahirapan ka na mag-stream o mag-video call. Pero ang ExpressVPN is designed to stay fast and reliable across different countries. That makes it really easy to use daily without constantly worrying about whether it'll work. Privacy is another clear strength. May strict no-logs policy ang ExpressVPN at na-test na ito at na-verify ng independent audits. Kasama pa yung trusted server technology nila na automatic nagwa-wipe ng data tuwing nagre-restart ang server. You can feel confident that your browsing history is not being saved or traced back to you. The built-in tracker blocking feature called the Threat Manager is also a big plus. Instead of just hiding your IP address, pinipigilan din ito yung apps at websites from secretly sending your data to advertisers or trackers. Nakakatulong to bawasan yung creepy na targeted ads na parang sinusundan ka kahit isang beses ka lang bumisita sa site. Ease of use is definitely worth mentioning too. Gumagana ang ExpressVPN sa phones, laptops, smart TVs at kahit routers. Madali lang i-install at i-navigate yung apps so you don't need to be tech savvy to get started. And if you ever run into trouble, their 24/7 live chat support is very quick and helpful. Sa downside naman, mas mahal talaga ang ExpressVPN kumpara sa ibang VPNs. Kaya kung budget ang main concern mo, may mas mura talagang options. Isa pa, while it usually works with major streaming platforms, you may sometimes need to switch servers to find that one unlocks the content you actually want. And finally, ExpressVPN limits you to 5 devices at a time, which may not be enough if you're trying to cover a large household with lots of gadgets. Overall, yung pros ay speed, privacy, tracker blocking, madaling gamitin at reliable support. Yung cons naman ay mainly price, consistency sa streaming, and device limits. Ngayon, tignan natin yung iba't ibang plans and pricing options. Kung gusto mong siguraduhin na makuha mo yung best price, may exclusive link kami sa description sa baba. Once you use our link, go ahead and click Get ExpressVPN. Dito makikita mo na may ilang options sila. Pwede kang bumili ng 1 month, 12 months, o 2 years. But I'm gonna go over the 2-year option because this is how you're gonna get the best price possible and save up to 73% off. Kasama rin sa bawat plan yung extra 4 months and 30-day money-back guarantee. So I just wanted to mention that ahead of time. Sa basic plan, makakasave ka ng 73% na $3.49 per month, and that's for the 24 months plus extra 4 months. You get the best-in-class VPN and 10 simultaneous connections. Next, yung advanced plan of $4.49 per month. Makukuha mo ang lahat na nasa basic plan pero may 12 connections, advanced protection na nagbablock ng ads, trackers, malicious sites, and more. You also even get a password manager in 3 days, eSIM by holiday.com, 50% AirCov, and Identity Defender Lite. Lastly is a Pro plan na $7.49 per month at makakasave ka ng 62%. Makukuha mo lahat ng nasa advanced plan pero may 14 connections, advanced protection, 5-day eSIM sa holiday.com, and 75% off sa AirCove. And then you get the VIP Identity Defender and even a dedicated IP address. Kung gusto mong tignan at i-compare pa ng mas detalyado yung mga plans, pwede mo ulit gamitin yung link namin at i-check ng mas maayos. Again, gusto ko lang ulitin na meron silang 30-day money-back guarantee, which is a game changer because you can try it out and if it doesn't feel like it's the best fit for you, pwede ka mag-refund. Is ExpressVPN for you? Kung ang priority mo ay privacy, then ang answer is yes. ExpressVPN does so much more than just hide your IP address. Pinipigilan din ito ang trackers, prevent data collection, and ensures na ang activity mo cannot be tied back to you. Kaya perfect talaga siya sa mga taong sawa na sa mga targeted ads na sinusundan nila o mga gusto mag-browse sa internet nang hindi ka parang minomonitor. It's also a great choice if you want to stream a lot of travel frequently since its speed and global servers are some of the best in the industry. The only reason para hindi piliin ang ExpressVPN ay kung limited ang budget mo o kung gusto mo ng VPN na may kasamang extras gaya ng antivirus protection sa same package. Para sa karamihan ng mga tao, yung combination ng privacy, speed, and yung ease of use ang reason bakit isa ang ExpressVPN sa strongest na options. And again, if you want to check it out for yourself, that link is down below on the description. Gusto ko lang na i-mention na affiliate links to. sabihin, meron kaming maliit na commission pero wala namang extra cost to you. Kaya kung pipiliin mong gamitin yung links namin, sobrang thank you in advance sa suporta nyo sa channel namin. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. I know that online privacy can feel overwhelming because there are so many companies out there trying to track us, follow us, and profit off of our data. Pero yung tools tulad ng ExpressVPN, pinapasimple nila para makontrol mo yung data mo nang hindi kailangan maging tech expert. You just turn it on and it blocks the trackers and keeps your data secure in the background. So dyan na nagtatapos ang video na to. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you protect your online privacy and make smarter decisions about the tools you use. I-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at iwan ng mga questions o comments sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.